Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I thought that it would be fun today to take you guys with me fall decor shopping and just see what's out there, see what's available, show you guys what you can pick up and give you some inspiration. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Noelle. I make new videos like this every single week on home decor and really just showing you guys how to get the high-end looking home that you want at a price point that you can afford. So if you like that kind of thing, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's go ahead and head out. So to start, I wanted to run into Target to see if I could find anything new, and I started in the dollar spot, and they had these really cute tiny pine cones that I thought would be so cute as a festive bowl filler, and they were only $3. They also had a couple of ceramic pumpkin options with different sizes and colors, and they had these Sherpa style pumpkins, which I don't really know how I feel about, but these are only $3 each as well. Then moving into their autumn market area, they had a lot of different faux pumpkin styles. I like to keep my fall palette pretty neutral, so I thought these natural looking pumpkins were pretty cool. And this size was $10 and then the larger size was $15. These little guys were pretty cute too. I absolutely love switching out my pillows to a warmer color palette as a subtle shift to fall, and Target has a lot of really good options that I actually used this year in my decorating for fall video. They also had some really festive pillows if that's the look that you're going for as well. And they had a ton of throws, and this one is my favorite throw that I've picked up for this fall. It is so soft and I love the pattern on it too. I really liked the shape of this vase and the color tones of the faux florals, which I think is also a really great way to bring in those fall feels. And they had this new wall hanging planter with faux florals that could be cute if you had the right spot for it. Then I spotted this super cute picture, and I guess it was in the wrong spot because it looks like it's a dollar spot item for only $5, and I totally would have snagged it if I didn't already have a very similar picture back at home. I usually don't get candles from Target, being that they can be pricey compared to TJ Maxx, but these smelled so good and came in really cool shaped containers, and they were really massive actually, so they weren't bad for the price. This rust color vase is such a great piece for fall. I used the taller one in my fall decorating video and loved it. They also had a couple of really cute simple wreaths from Hearth & Hand that I loved. Next, I went into Kirklands, and they were having 25% off of their fall decor, and I immediately spotted this amazing faux pumpkin. I love the stone finish on it. And it almost has like that fluted look to it that is really popular, and it actually comes in another size as well, and I'll have these items all linked below. They also had a bunch of different doormat options as well as more pumpkins, and this one in particular really caught my eye. I love the texture that it has and that it wasn't just smooth, and it would only be like $13 after the discount. They also had these pumpkins, which were very similar to the natural looking ones from Target, but they were a better price for the size here, and you would get larger ones. They also had some simple wreath options, and this really pretty pampas grass one if you're into more of that boho look. I also loved the texture of this plaid pillow and that it was just enough of a nod to fall. And this vase reminded me so much of the ones from the Hearth & Hand fall collection at Target this year that are currently sold out online. So if you like that look, this could be another option, but they were a little bit more pricey than the ones from Target. They also had some of that Sherpa style pumpkin in a bunch, which could be really cute styled all together. The color of this picture really caught my eye, and I thought it would be so cute, styled with some dried florals in it. and it was actually a really good size. Next up, I ran into Hobby Lobby, and all of the fall decor was 40% off, so I actually snagged this little plaid rug to try for styling my front porch for fall this year since it was only $10. Okay, so I had to share this because I've never seen a faux leather pumpkin before, but I don't think that I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I just thought it was really interesting. It was pretty busy in here, so I decided to head out to a local home decor shop, and this place was giving me all of the fall inspiration, you guys. These pumpkins looked so cool and give more of that Halloween look if you're into that. And I've been seeing these cute, whimsical pumpkins in a lot of small shops this year, but they are actually pretty pricey. So I think I might try and DIY them. Let me know in the comments below if that would be something that you're interested in. People always think about pumpkins for the fall, but corn can also be a really cool and different look for fall to style with. I love the look of this beautiful harvest basket with the corn kernels inside, and will definitely be looking for a similar basket when I'm thrifting. I also loved the look of this dried lavender and the velvet pumpkins mixed with the aged vessels. It was just so gorgeous. I could not get enough of this store. And then this centerpiece was so beautiful and festive without being over the top. You guys, as I was walking out, I spotted this gorgeous coffee table and I had to show it to you guys. I mean, it's just so beautiful, and the velvet pumpkins really top it off. Alrighty guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed coming along shopping with me and that you found some fall inspiration. I will have all of the items that I can linked in the description box below so you guys can shop those and you don't have to go out to the store yourself unless you want to, because you know, that can be really fun too. So I'll have those linked, and let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to put together a fall DIY pumpkin kind of thing like what we saw in the shops today. Some similar looking pumpkins to those, so let me know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.